Okay, so the next deflection we would like to check is the deflection by wind speed, by wind. So we know from the code that the maximum allowable deflection is h by 500. So what we need to do is we'll come to this. There are two ways of doing it. So we'll come to display, show tables, then you choose, it becomes blank like this initially, then you choose joint outputs. So select this, then you see displacement. So click the plus sign and open it. So we know our height is 30 meters, which is 30,000 divided by 500. So the maximum permissible deflection shouldn't exceed 60 millimeters. So let's see what we have on our serviceability loads. So we'll go back there again and create the output. So we'll go back to Unicorn 19 down to 36. Okay, apply this. Then for the UX, right click on it and ascending. So we have a value on the ninth story by of -56, which is still safe within the permissible. It's okay. So let's go to the maximum. So we have a maximum at the roof level of 90. So that means our story is failing in deflection by the maximum permissible 90 millimeter, which we don't want. So let's see it in the y direction also. Let's set our y direction within the same thing. So right click on it, ascending order. So from the top we have a value of -251 millimeters, and let's see the maximum. Okay, so scroll down to the end, or to save time I will just come here, right click and sort descending. So you can see descending value of 110 millimeters. So we need to rescheme our structure to reduce this deflection. So we are going to be adding shear walls in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video on ETABS. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.